Different types of guest room cleaning agents. Cleaning agents are the most critical aids of the housekeeping department in their day-to-day operations to keep the room and public area neat and clean. When it comes to cleaning chemicals, Taski or DPMI products are considered as the benchmark in the hospitality industry. Cleaning agents. R1 to R9. R1. Cleaning and sanitizing of bathroom toilet surface. R2. All-purpose cleaning agent hygienic hard surface cleaner. R3. For cleaning glass and mirror cleaner. R4. For furniture polish and cleaning furniture maintainer. R5. Air freshener, room freshener, bathroom freshener. R6. Heavy-duty toilet bowl urinal cleaner for the removal of lime scale, stains and other residues. R7. For removal of oil and grease from floor, non-abrasive cream cleaner for water-resistant hard surfaces. R8. Kettle descaler, highly effective acid-based descaler for kettles, kitchen equipment, shower heads, etc. R9. Fully formulated cleaner for cleaning all fittings and walls in the bathroom, sink, tub, tiles and fittings.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार.
Thank you, DPMI.